Hello! In this video, we're going to be solving one-step equations. So first, let's go over the 5 steps that we need to solve any one-step equation. First, identify the operation. This is going to be the operation that's being done to the variable. It could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Next, we're going to use the inverse operation to cancel it out. So the inverse operations would be addition and subtraction together, and multiplication and division together. Next, we're going to apply to both sides to make sure it's still equivalent. And then we're going to simplify it to find a solution, and then at last we're going to check our answer. Let's go over some practice problems. So the first question is x plus 7 equals 18. So as you can see here, the operation being done is addition. So we know that addition and subtraction are inverses. So we're going to use subtraction to subtract the constant. So in this case, we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. And then x is going to be equal to 11. Our last step is going to be to check our answer. So we should be able to plug in 11 for x and get the correct answer. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 equals 18. That's true, so we know x equals 11 is right. The next question is negative 3z equals 15. Negative 3z is negative 3 multiplied by z, so it's multiplication. The inverse for multiplication is division, so let's divide by both sides. We're going to divide negative 3 on both sides, and we're going to get z equals negative 5. Let's check our answer again. So negative 3 multiplied by negative 5 equals 15. We're going to see, in this case, 2 negatives become a positive. So this is going to be 15 equals 15. We know that's correct as well. Next, we have 13 equals d minus 6. So the operation being done is the subtraction right here. So we're going to add, as an inverse, we're going to add 6 on both sides. We're going to get 19 equals d. Let's check that answer. We're going to 13 equals 19 minus 6. We get 13 equals 13. This is correct, so we know that d equals 19. Next, we have x divided by 4 equals 9. The operation here is division, so we're going to do multiplication. We're going to multiply it by 4 on both sides. We're going to get x equals 36. To check, we plug it back in. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 equals 9 is correct, so we know that x equals 36. Next, we'll go to the next slide and do a few more practice problems. For this question, we have negative 5 plus k equals 11. It might seem like the operation here is plus, so we should do something like subtract, but actually, the operation we should be doing is going to be focused on the negative 5 here, because negative 5 plus k equals 11 can actually be written to k minus 5 equals 11. Something we're probably a little bit more familiar with. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. And that's becoming k equals 16. We're going to check it. Negative 5 plus 16 equals 11. And we get 11 equals 11. So we know that's correct. Next question is m divided by 5 equals 7. The operation being done is going to be this division right here. So we're going to multiply by 5 on both sides. And that's going to give us m equals 35. Check it, we'll plug it back in for m. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 equals 7, that's correct. And we know we get to go. So on this side, we have 7 equals p divided by negative 2. So our operation here is going to be division, and we're going to multiply by negative 2 on both sides. to get negative 14 equals p. Let's check it. So we would have 7 equals negative 14 divided by negative 2. And because we know two negatives cancel out when we're multiplying or dividing, we get this side to be 7 and this side to be 7 as well. Correct? And then we have n minus 20 equals 9. So this is going to be subtraction. So we're going to add 20 on both sides to isolate that variable. And we get n equals 29. To check our work, we're going to do 29 minus 20 equals 9. With 9 equals 9, we know that we are officially done with the problem.